Hi guys, this is BV. Welcome to my channel. Nude gel nails step by step. I'm using nail glue for nail tips. Take some nail glue using the tip. Applying nail tips to add length. Make sure each tip fits perfectly from side to side. Press firmly for a few seconds until secure in UV LED lamp. Cutting nail tips for your desired length after gluing nail tips. It can help customize the look according to preference. I'm not cutting my nail extension as I prefer this length. Now, I'm shaping the nails. I gently file them to get a clean and even shape. Shaping is important for a neat and professional finish. After shaping, I move on to buffing the nails. I lightly buff the surface to remove shine. This step helps the gel polish stick better. Make sure not to overbuff the nails. Just create a soft, matte surface for better adhesion. I have to use a filer here because there is some glue near the cuticle area. It can happen sometimes, but don't worry about it. I don't have a nail drill, so I'm using a filer, otherwise it would have been easy and fast. Next, I clean the nails to remove dust. This keeps the surface clean and ready for product application. Now, I'm applying a base coat. Apply a thin and even layer on all nails. This protects the nails and improves gel adhesion. Cure the base coat under a UV LED lamp. Make sure it's fully cured before moving to the next step. Next, I'm creating a soft base for the design. I'm using white gel polish and drawing horizontal lines across the nails. At this stage, it doesn't need to look perfect. Then, I'm gently blending the white polish. This creates a soft, diffused white background coming from a slightly transparent base. Take your time with this step to get a smooth blend. And once you're happy with it, cure it. Next, I'm applying dusty rose gel polish. Start with a very thin first coat and spread it evenly. The first coat may look a little sheer, and that's completely normal. This layer helps the color grip better. Cure the first coat under the lamp. Now, I'm applying the second coat. This helps build the color and makes it look more even. Make sure to keep the layer thin and smooth. Then cure again. Next, I'm applying the third coat. Here, I focus on something out of any streaks or uneven areas. This is where the polish starts to look more blended and clean. Cure once again after application. Finally, I'm applying the fourth coat. This gives a rich, flawless nude finish. Make sure everything looks smooth and even before curing. Then cure one last time for a perfect result. And that's it. Your nude gel nails are complete. They look smooth, glossy, and super elegant.